Welcome back everyone to Kyler's Farm World, and today I just wanted to show you all that an American farming series, the series to get to a millionaire, we bought a new tractor. I sold my old Farm All M and bought this Butte. And it was a little sketchy buy because I now have $2,000 left. But at least I have this new tractor. It's exciting because farm is expanded and makes feel good. And where's my dog? So yeah. Anyway, I'm just gonna drive this home and finish harvesting, and I'll see you then. Down, loaded up, buying trucking. We're gonna do what they say can't be done. We got a long way to go and a short time to get there. At least, vamos, watch your bandit. Have arrived back at the farm. So I'm gonna get hooked back up to these gravity wagons because it's blocking the combine's path, and we're gonna get back to cutting corn. So let's do that. Get them going. Drive through here. Blah 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 blah. Back up. Alright, Mr. Combine, you do you, and I do me, which is be your driver, so we can make some money, because we are broke right now, as you can see. You got that whole spot right now, and everywhere I go, it just has to be in your way. Are you trying to make up problems, or is it actually what you're supposed to do? Because it seems to me like you're making up problems, and that's not how you do this. Treat your boss. So this guy is full, so we are gonna put first load for this tractor's life, because he is brand new. I really like this tractor. It looks cool with the duals. It looks, and I like to name it Stubby Front, because it has a stubby front. And yeah, we will continue harvesting. Alrighty, so it has been a little while. We got our we got another full load in. We are going to be storing in our grain bins so I can feed it to the hogs later. Because the hogs, they eat like hogs. Let's get the back one dumped. We're now at 4,000 bushels. I'm hoping to get to 5,000, which I think I will. But still, let's continue harvesting after we get this dumped. Alright, let's get back cutting. Alrighty, so it has been a little while. I've got the big field done. I'm now on to the small field. I'm still chasing the combine around. So far, this new tractor's a really nice upgrade to the farm. Feels great to expand. I'm on to the expanding stage of this game. And yeah, I'll keep on farming. The combine is working hard, and we are almost done with corn harvest. Then after that, I'm gonna go right into corn planting, which will be exciting because I haven't corn planted with this tractor before. So I'll catch you when I'm done with corn harvest. Alrighty, so we are officially done with corn harvest for this game year. And let's see what our total on bushels of grain we get this year. Get the next one. Bam. You dumping. Done. Alrighty. Our official total amount of bushels for this year is 5,403 bushels. That is not bad. And it'll all be fed to the hogs. But I'm going to get these gravity wagons parked, and then I'm going to get hooked up to the planter. And I already got the combine parked in the shop. So let's unattach this. And let's go get the planter. Alrighty, we got the corn planter hooked up. I forgot to do that on camera. Whoopsie daisies. But this is the first time corn planting with this tractor. Exciting. But let's get planting corn. And yeah, that's gonna wrap up this video. So anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe for the next video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Over and out.